If you are still using ChatGPT in 2026, I say it with all of my love, but you are behind 90% of the people out there. Not because ChatGPT is bad, it was groundbreaking in 2023. But in 2026, the way people are using it, they type a generic question, they get a generic answer, they copy and paste it, and move on. That's not AI, that's just fancy Google search. Here's what most people don't understand yet. In 2026, AI is not just a search engine, it's your delegation system, your productivity multiplier, and your strategic partner, all in one. And the people who have figured that out, they are operating at a whole different level. I'm a business setup consultant in one of the fastest growing cities in the world. I close deals, manage clients, write proposals, and run this channel on the side. My time is non negotiable. I started using Claude on the recommendation of a friend, and once I started delegating to it systematically, my entire workflow changed completely. Today, I'm going to show you not just what Claude can do, but actually how to think of it as your delegation system. Specific tasks, specific results, and at least 6 hours back every single week. Let me start with explaining why people are getting weak outputs from AI, and it has nothing to do with the tool itself. They give in vague inputs and they expect perfect outputs. And when it's not perfect, they just give up and say AI is not that useful, or AI is not for me, or it just doesn't get me. But that's entirely not how delegation system works. Think of it this way. You hired a new intern in your company. You gave him zero context, zero directions, and you expected them to be perfect. You would fail badly. And that's entirely a management problem. That's not a talent problem. Claude is exactly the same. The quality of your output is directly tied with the quality of your input. But here's a major difference between ChatGPT and Claude. Claude doesn't just answer your question, it understands the context, think in frameworks, and actually solves your problem. Once I understood that, I stopped asking Claude questions and I started assigning it work. And this is the entire mindset shift this video is about. The delegation framework. Delegation 1. Assign it your writing. Every professional that I know spends at least 6 hours every week doing one thing: writing. Emails, follow ups, proposals, messages, and almost all of it starts with one expensive phase: the blank page. Here's what I do now. First of all, I have completely stopped typing and I've started voice recording. I use this app called Whisperflow and I do a brain dump. I say everything that I have in a complete, messy, and unstructured form. I copy and paste it to Claude. No editing and no polishing, just one instruction. Turn this into a professional, clear, and concise email in my voice. Don't make it sound corporate, keep it warm but direct. 30 seconds later, I have my first draft ready, which would have taken me at least 20 minutes. Now, I just spend 5 minutes editing it in my voice and it's done. But let's not stop there. Let's take it one step further. Take 3 emails that you have written previously, copy and paste them to Claude, and tell it to learn your tone, style, and vocabulary and write all new emails in the same voice. Now it's not just fast, it's you, but faster. For any proposals or quotations specifically, tell Claude everything that you possibly can: your client's brief, the services that you provide, the pricing that you agreed on, and the outcome that your client is looking at. Claude builds me a full proposal in just under 2 minutes. A task that used to take me 90 minutes now just takes 15 minutes. It's as easy as that. Delegation 2. Assign it your thinking. This is the use case nobody talks about enough. Before any important decision, a difficult client conversation, a pricing negotiation, a business move, I now do a brainstorming session with Claude first. I explain it the full situation, the context, the people involved, what I want to achieve, and what I'm worried about. And then I ask it what I'm not seeing. What are the risks that I have not considered? What would a sharp business advisor tell me right now? What comes back is not a magic answer. It's a structured breakdown of angles that I hadn't fully thought through. It surfaces blind spots and it challenges assumptions. It makes me walk into that meeting or send that message with far more clarity than I would have done alone. You can use this before salary negotiations, deciding on a service offering, or responding to a difficult client. Every single time, your thinking would be sharper after talking to Claude than before. The thing is, you don't need anyone on speed dial anymore. You have one available at even 2 a.m. with unlimited patience. Delegation 3. Assign it your research. As a business consultant, I deal with constant stream of documentations, regulations, policy updates, legal requirements, and even market reports. Staying on top of it all means hours of reading. And to be honest, I really don't enjoy that work. Now what I do is I just paste that document onto Claude, even 40 or 50 pages document. and I ask it a targeted question. I am setting up a mainland LLC in Dubai for a client in food and beverages sector. What in this document is relevant to their licensing requirements? Now, Claude won't give me a generic summary. It will give me a targeted extraction built around my exact problem. The result? A 3-hour task becomes a 10 minutes task, and the quality of the output is significantly better because it's filtered through my specific context. You can do this with any sorts of reports, contracts, terms and conditions, or even course materials. Basically, anything that exists as text. Stop reading everything and start interrogating documents with precision. Delegation 4. Assign it your content. Here's how most content creators and professionals use AI for their content. They simply ask it to write their content, and then it sounds generic, flat, and nothing like them. And what they do next? You guessed it. They blame the tool. Now I'll tell you the right way to delegate content to Claude. You bring the idea and your lived experience. Claude builds structure, support, and staging. I'll give you the example of my channel. The process looks something like this. I tell Claude the core insight that I want to share with my audience. Something real that happened to me, a framework that I've been following, or even a lesson from a client, basically anything. Then I ask Claude to help me build it into a video hook, framework, storytelling, even CTA. I don't ask it to create my content. Instead, I ask it to organize and amplify what I already have. The result is the content that sounds exactly like me because it is me, just a better and structured version. Now, you can use the exact same strategy for your LinkedIn posts, for Instagram posts, for TikTok posts, and even for your business. Bring the insight, delegate the structure, and publish faster. Delegation 5. Assign it your admin. A very few people talk about how much time gets eaten by the micro tasks. Formatting a document, summarizing meeting notes, turning a bullet list into a proper report, writing a job description, or even creating a checklist for a recurring process. Each one of these tasks feels small, but together they eat at least 5 to 7 hours every week. Now, I delegate all of these tasks to Claude. After a client's meeting, I paste my rough notes and say, turn these into clean, structured meeting minutes with action items. Done in 30 seconds. I need a workflow checklist for onboarding a new client. I describe the process to Claude and it brings me clean and comprehensive checklist in seconds. The rule is simple. If a task is primarily about formatting, organizing, or structuring information that you already have, delegate it entirely to Claude. Delegation 6. Assign it your life design. Well, this one is personal and it connects the most to what this channel is built on. Most people drift through their weeks. They are reactive and they respond to whatever is the loudest. And at the end of the week, they feel busy for sure, but not productive at all. I have used Claude to audit my entire weekly structure. I described what my typical week looks like, every recurring task, every time block, every responsibility. And I entered the prompt. Here are my top 3 goals for this quarter. What are the gaps between how I'm spending my time and what I'm trying to achieve? What came back was uncomfortable, but clarifying and actionable. I've also used Claude to design my quarterly goal frameworks, build weekly review systems, and think through long-term career moves. Not because Claude knows about my life more than I do, but because when you explain life out loud to someone who listens without any sort of judgment and then responds with structure, you see it differently. This is the intersection of AI with life design, and almost nobody's talking about it. Now, these were all of the things that you can delegate to Claude. But here's something that Claude cannot do. It cannot replace your judgment. It cannot replace your real world experience. It cannot give you the credibility that comes from actually doing the work. And if you use it to think for you instead of think with you, your output would be flat, generic, and completely forgettable. The people winning with AI are not the ones who are using it the most, they are the ones using it in the smartest way. They know exactly which parts of their work to delegate, and they stay in full control of the parts that require their irreplaceable human judgment. Claude is not your replacement, it's your leverage. So here's the 6-part delegation framework. Writing, brain dump in and polish draft out. Thinking, using it as your pre-decision thinking partner. Research, stop reading everything and start interrogating documents. Content, you bring the insight, Claude brings the structure. Admin, delegate every formatting and organizing task. Life design, audit your week, design your quarter, and think long term. Pick one this week. Just one, and assign Claude a real task, not just a question, not a generic prompt. One real tasks, and watch what happens to your output. If you want to see how I structure my week as a business consultant as well as a creator, that video is right here. And if you believe that a meaningful life is designed, not discovered, this channel is for you. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Alhamdulillah.